Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm simply going to show you how you could easily change up your Imo ID on Imo, or basically how you can customize your Imo ID. So Imo ID is basically a unique ID which you can share with other persons so that they can find you on Imo. So if you want to customize that out, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, simply head towards your Imo mobile application. Once you are on your Imo app, what you have to do next is to simply tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the Imo app, now you have to simply head towards your name. Once you will tap on that, you will see that there is an option of Imo ID. So if you'll tap on that, you'll get the option of change Imo ID, and right below that it is written that Imo ID can be changed only once a year. So you have to make sure that you can change that once a year. Now we'll see how to change that. Simply head towards change Imo ID, and now you will get the option to enter up the Imo ID. Here you have to make sure that it must be between 8 to 20 characters. It should allow numbers, uppercases, lowercases, dashes, and underscores. It cannot contain only numbers, so you can type in any of your name or like unique number, but you have to make sure that you mix and match all of them. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.